Hi Devansh, what are you doing in school, Devansh?
Ma'am, what did you say?
What are you doing in school?
Oh, what we're doing in school, we're just reviewing duty shapes. I didn't go to school since it's snowing.
I know, right? You had 3 days of break.
Yeah.
Shruti, what are you doing in school, ma?
So the last thing we did was composite figures, but I haven't gone to school for the past 3 days, so
Oh, I see. Okay. Jashwita, for you, what is going on in school?
We're solving and making equations.
What, ma?
We're solving and making equations.
This is solving and making. Okay, I see. See, in the probability, you want to review a little bit and then let's see. There is a probability. How was the homework? Did you have any questions on the homework? Did you have any questions in the homework? Okay, let me see, guys. I really want you to answer my questions in the review. Let me see where we are. One second, guys. Okay. Were you able to solve all the questions, Sreshta, from the homework? Sreshta.
I had questions myself.
What, ma?
I had questions myself for that.
You had questions?
Yeah.
Okay. Can I open?
Yeah.
Yeah. Looks like school is a holiday tomorrow too, right?
Yeah.
I know it's fun for you all, looks like, right?
No, not really. Not
Yes.
that much.
I wish I was in Texas. Really? For you, I think Krishu and Jashwita school already reopened, right?
Yeah, we had school today and tomorrow.
I mean, at least we had a 2 hour delay today.
Yeah.
Okay. Give me a minute. Okay, first I'll open the homework. Whatever questions you had, you can clarify mine. After that, I'll. Arya Sricharan, please on the video, ma. Did you?
Yeah,
Did
we
you?
just want
No, take your time. Take your time. Meaning, I didn't mean to. I didn't mean to urge you, but take your time. But come on the video. It's good for you,
okay,
right?
I'm doing my website.
Yeah. Go ahead. Which one should I open, guys? Tell me.
Can you open the probability and number assignment?
Which one, ma?
The probability and number assignment.
Probability. This one?
No. The one that was due on January 25th. The one under.
Yeah, I'll go one by one. Whatever you want, I'll clarify. Give me exactly 1 second. Change my headphones. Okay. This one, ma? Is it this one?
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead. What's your question?
I have a question on number 16 of part 1.
Which one, ma? 16.
Yeah, part 1.
Okay.
That one. The sun is up at 3:30 a.m. and at night.
Question number
16.
16. Oh, estimate the probability of each event happening, right? Okay, when it comes to estimation of probabilities, right, you can see any probability can go from 0 to 1. 0 means absolutely no way, meaning there's no chance, you see. Whereas 1 is, you have, it's very likely, meaning very likely, you see. This one is likely or unlikely. This is, let's say this is unlikely, this is likely, okay, it's going to happen, okay. Now this one is 50-50, it can happen or it cannot happen. So can I say that as 0.5? And then anything between 0 and 0.5 is less likely, you see. If I call this as very likely, I'll call this as likely. Make sense, ma? So the probabilities range from 0.5 to 1 if you think it's going to happen. 0 to 0.5, it's not going to happen. The sun is up at 3:30 a.m. in Ohio. What do you all think?
Very likely.
Huh?
Very likely.
Not likely.
Unlikely. So can I say 0.1 or 0.2? Can I say, I can't say it as 0 because 3:30 is morning. So how about this? I would say something around between 0.1 and 0.2, can I say? Does it make sense? Okay, so that's how you estimate it. Make sense? See, this is just an estimate, okay? When you think about it, let's go to the answer, okay? 16th. When you go to the answer, you might have a different one. Let's see. See, okay, they have it as 0%. I don't know, I would have it as at least, you see, 0.1 or 0.05 at least I would have. You got it? Yep. Or you can have it as 0%. See, that's what I'm saying. It is just an estimation, right? So it's okay to have your answer nearby. What I mean is, if they've given you 0%, you cannot say 0.7 is your answer. It's very near, right? No. You got it? Let's move on. What next?
That's all I think I had a question.
What other questions you had?
I don't think I had any more.
What other questions, guys? Any other questions you all had?
I had like a question on experimental
Which one, ma? Which one?
I think it was at the top. The probability review. Not that one.
Ask whatever questions you have, guys, okay? See, that should be the advantage of these classes where you come in and clarify without any, what to say. You should not have a thought, oh, can I ask? What will others think? That's what you should not have when you come in here. Naman, were you able to do, Naman?
Yeah.
Was it easy? Was it hard? Or how did you feel?
I think I might have been on the wrong Google Classroom.
Aha, really? Let me see. Oh my goodness, then it was my bad, right? Okay. Okay. What did it say?
It was talking about area and volume.
Can you tell me the name of the class?
I think it was G5 2025.
Ah, my God, I'm sorry, Naman. Okay, I'm going to give it to you right now. Okay, let me see. There is some mishap. I'm sorry about it. Can I give it to you right now? I'll give everyone. Please copy that. Always you should see G78. Okay? Sorry about it, Naman. Okay, I'll check where is the problem. Okay? Go ahead, guys. What is your question, ma? Go ahead. What's your question? Who had
Question on 7.
question number 7? This one? Okay, the following is the results of rolling a standard number cube. Okay, what probability are we discussing now? When they give you this table, what probability are we discussing? I will hold off. I will let you answer. Experimental or theoretical? Okay, let's read it. The following is the results of rolling a standard number of cube. So, this is an experiment that they performed. So, what probability is it? Whatever you get from here is experimental probability. Experimental probability. Theoretical probability comes into picture where it is the ideal case. What is the theoretical probability for number cube when rolled turns up 2? What is the theoretical probability? You tell me.
1/6.
1/6. Naman, what is the experimental probability, Naman?
I think maybe 3/45. Oh,
3 is it 45 total, ma?
Yeah.
Good. 345 is correct. So 1/50. Good job, Naman. 1/50. Can I move on? So find the experimental probability that the 3 was rolled. So 11 divided by 45. Just change it to decimal, just change it to percentage. Find the experimental probability that a number greater than 4 was rolled. 18 out of 45. But this is not simplified. You have to simplify this, right? 2/5. Change it to decimal, 0.4. Percentage. Percentage is what? Make sense, guys? Any questions on this? Any other questions? Any other questions? Any other questions? You guys know you can answer, right? At my office, this is what happens too. Somebody who runs the meeting keeps on asking, hey, do we have any other topics? Every one of us keep quiet. Nowadays, after seeing my own class kids, I have started answering no. So why, meaning if you don't have any questions, just say no, then we'll move on as well. Can I stop this? Any questions?
No.
Thanks. Okay, that helps, right? To just move on. Okay, I really want to go to 3D. Can I go to 3D? Meaning, but before that, I said I wanted to. What is that? I wanted to review. Let me see. 1 second. Okay. Naman, did you get the meeting classroom
Yeah.
ID? Okay, good. Sorry about it, Naman. If there was a problem in the email link, I'm sorry about it. Check that as well. Make sense?
Okay.
Okay. Now, let's see. Okay. You are going to wait a minute, guys, for me. I am going to quiz a couple of questions I need. Let's go over the star papers, I feel, first. Where are we? I'll check and then I'll move on with my own. Give me a minute. Because probability is a definite appearance when it comes to I don't know where the previous. Oh, yeah, I do have it. Give me a minute. 7. You know what? It's taking me to some other website. I don't want all that. Oh my God, what is going on? Okay, let's try this one. Okay, that's better. Okay guys, how about this? This is one of the star practice question. Let's see. Let's see, please. Okay, let me share the screen. You're going to answer, but please send the answers, don't blurt out. clothing store has, this is a star practice. Once we are thorough with this, I can move on to 3D. A clothing store has these items on sale. A customer randomly selects one of the sale items. Complete each statement. Select, I don't want to read, I think. Go ahead. Select the correct answer for each box. Each answer may be used more than once. Okay. Probability that the customer will randomly select a sweater or a hat. Ah, that's tricky.
Do we have to choose A, B, C, D, E, F?
Correct. You're going to send me 2 letters. You got it?
Oh, I thought can you like make it into an impact?
I got 2 answers. Ma, please send both, ma. No problem, Nikita. I got it. Oh wow, Pranav, good job. Naman, good job. Naman, is that right? Second one?
I wrote the number 1 twice, but it's the first one, then the second one.
Yeah, but just send me 2 letters. That's what I need. What, guys? I am a little confused. Will randomly select a jacket is what is asked for the second one.
I can't text you.
Who was that?
Krisha.
Are you logging in from an iPad?
Yes.
That's the problem, Krisha. If you log in from a machine, the problem is not at all seen. Arya Sricharan, good job. But Arya Sricharan, yes. Inian, the second one is incorrect. Shruti, correct. Sreshta, correct. Shruti, correct. Sreshta, correct. Krishiv, correct. Naman, correct. Vihan, correct. But I did not get answer from so many of you. I don't want to pick, but at the same time, I said everybody should answer. Johan, correct.
Yeah.
Nikita, the first answer is incorrect. Yes, ma?
Could you please text me with the texting problem again?
Yes, I can.
Did you get my answer?
1 minute. Did I get your answer? Netra, right? Yes, I got. That's correct, ma. So good, guys. I am happy to see that you guys are able to. Yeah, I will have one more question as well for you guys. Jashwita, how F ma? Why F ma for the first one? Can you explain, Jashwita? Arya, I'm sorry, Devansh, your first answer is incorrect, right?
Yeah.
I fixed
I
mine.
accidentally.
See,
I
ma.
only saw a hat, my bad.
No, see, it's okay, but you have to explain why did Nikita. Okay, good. So when you look at it, guys, there is one mistake that I am seeing from some of you. Sweater or a hat. It can be a sweater. Favorable event is a sweater or a hat. So it can be a sweater. It can be a hat. So either of this. So 25 favorable events, 25 favorable outcome divided by the total number of outcome is 1/2, which is 0.5, which is D. Jashwita, did you get it?
Yeah.
Good. One last question. Try that one, guys. I don't know what is the answer to this. Wow. Devansh correct, Nikita correct, Srihari correct, Vihan correct. Oh, is easy, right, guys? Based on the problems you have done, looks like this is easy to me. Yeah, everybody got it correct. I'm checking on the last few. Naman, why did you say A, Naman?
I just added all of them up.
Correct. That will be your denominator. Numerator?
Oh. I got it.
Yeah, no problem. See, here we have to learn. So, what should you add for the numerator?
The frequency.
Yeah, frequency. Which frequency will you add for the numerator?
Oh, I just took the frequency for the odd numbers and added them together.
Correct, that's what you need to do. So, what did you get? It's 16, 24, and 37, right? 77 by 150, right?
Oh, I added wrong, sorry.
Got
I
it.
67 and rounded it.
Okay, maybe you added it wrong. It's okay. Computation, you have to be careful. Okay, let's move on. Okay, now coming to 3D solids, guys. I really want to get started with this 3D solids. Okay, what are these? Let's see. But before I move to 3D solids, right, I have one more question for you from the STAR test paper that I was reviewing. What I'm going to ask you. Give a minute, guys. I'm going to ask you some reviews. Let's see. I really want to know whether, see, 2D I'm thinking I'm already done, in the sense even for composite areas I'm thinking you would be able to do. Okay, how about this? One or two more questions of review, guys, before I get started. How about this? This is one, and one more I wanted to ask you. Yeah, this is something I wanted to ask you. Two questions. A jar contains red, blue marble. Okay, the percentage of each color is given. The jar contains 90 blue marbles. 90 blue marbles. Which statement is true?
Priya? I can't see the bottom question.
Oh, don't worry about it. Just wait on the bottom question, right? Amma, please, Naman, what is asked you have to check. Okay, let me write down numbers for each of this. A, B, C, D. Guys, I need numbers. I need numbers. You cannot answer whatever you want. I need the letters.
Is mine okay?
Good job, Johan. Letters are there, right? I want 2 letters. There are 2 correct answers, it says, right?
Should I put the letters in?
Yes, in the
Or
answer.
just put like the thing too?
Netra, there are 2 answers. Only when you write 2 letters, then I'll say your answer is correct. Naman, I really need to understand properly. Meaning, I am not able to say which is your answer. Can you answer now? Krishiv, there are 2 correct answers. It's given. Did you see?
Is it good now?
Good job, Shruti. Inium, that's incorrect. Netra, correct, ma. Srihari.
Auntie, I never sent anything.
Okay. Arya Sricharan, did you get it? Nikita, correct, ma. Devansh, incorrect. Jashwita, incorrect, ma. Arya Sricharan, good job. Pranav, good job. Okay, guys, when you think about it, right? See, there's 90 blue marbles. That means 60% of whatever marbles was there, right? The total number of marbles was there was 90. So how many total marbles were there? 2 3s are 6, 2 5s are 10.
100.
90 times 5 by 3. So it was 150. Now there were totally 150 marbles in the jar. 30% of 150 is 45. 10% of 150 is 15. So this seems right. So the correct answers are B and E. Naman, did you get it?
Yeah.
Okay. B and
Teacher,
E.
can I hit the bathroom?
Yeah, please go ahead. So let's go ahead with this question. This is a review on area. Did you get it, ma? Sreshta. I'm checking. So what is the area of the shaded portion, right? I think Sreshta, your answer is correct, Sreshta. Nikita, your answer is correct. Shruti, your answer is correct. Arya Sricharan, correct. Arya Sricharan, what are you doing in school? See, that's what I'm going to deal with. But Arya, are you doing the homework problems? Is that easy or okay? Easy? Okay. I just wanted to talk to your mom. Can she ping me sometime tomorrow? Thank you. Just tell her, okay? Jashwita, correct ma. Devansh, it's incorrect. How did you do that? Srihari, it's incorrect. Can you explain Srihari? Naman, incorrect ma. Vihan, correct. Done? Okay, I think I will go. Okay, I'm going to go ahead. So, see here guys, the radius of the circle is 5. You have to be a little faster too. So, the area of the circle is 5 times 5 times pi r square, 25 pi, 25 times 3.14, right? So, what is that ma? Netra, what did you get Netra? An area of the rectangle is 48 feet square. What is the area of the circle?
I got 78.5 for the circle.
78.5 feet square. So shaded area is the subtracted value. You have to find the difference, right? 78.5 minus 48 gives you 30.5 feet square. Any questions? I'm going to move on. So these were easy reviews. Okay. Now let me go ahead and get to 3D solids. Okay guys, so how many of you know the difference between prism and a pyramid? How many of you know the difference between a prism and a pyramid?
Oh,
Okay, so what is the difference? Can you educate me on the prism and the pyramid?
prism is like a long version of the
Okay, so first of all, what is the difference between square, rectangle and a 3D solid? Who can tell me? Krishiv, no switching of video. Go ahead. What is the difference between a 2D solid and a 3D solid? Anybody can answer guys, quick guys.
So a 3D solid has a width. Or
Has a depth. You can put your hand in. Depth is the differentiating criteria. You can put your hand in and say, hey, this is so deep. That is not possible. Okay, so depth is the third dimension. Other than that, length and width both have the same. Length, width, only the depth is different. Okay, now coming to the difference between prism and a pyramid, right? You can look at my video. If on the sides you scratch it, right, you can feel it going parallel. You see, then that's called a prism. Whereas this is a pyramid. Any question? Meaning, if you have a pokey point either at the top or the bottom, then it is a pyramid. And how are we going to name it? Let's see. How do you name these 3D solids? In no way you can make mistakes after this. Let's see. Look at the bottom. Look at the base. Okay, it's standing on a rectangle, right? Always you tell the name of the base and then you say prism or pyramid. That's the usual way. You got it? Now I'm going to ask you this. What is this? It is a base is a rectangle. So I'll say rectangular. Is it a prism or a pyramid? Prism. Any questions here? How about this? How about this? What is this, guys? What is this?
triangular pyramid.
Triangular prism.
Triangular prism. Good job. So base and then look at the sides. They go in parallel. Prism. How about this? How about this? What is this?
Rectangular pyramid.
Alright. Okay, wait. Let me draw it properly then. What is that? Yeah, exactly. What is this? Trapezoidal? Pyramid. So you write it out as trapezoidal pyramid. Any questions here? Okay. Now I really want each of you to know the do you all know what is the difference between vertex, edge and what else? Faces. What is the difference between the three?
Faces are like in the outside.
Okay, let's see. How many faces does this rectangular prism have?
6.
Huh?
6.
What are they? Front, back. I really don't want you to memorize formulas. That's why I'm going from the scratch. Front, back,
Side, right,
top, bottom, right, left. Good job. Please, why am I going through this? Because I don't want you to memorize formulas. Number of faces is, you always go like this in pairs. Okay, how many vertex? Vertex plural is vertices. How many vertices are there?
8,
8. Good job. These points, they are vertices. Okay, what is an edge? Edge is what connects the vertices. How many edges are there?
12.
Good job. 12. Got it? So 4 up, 4 down and 4 on the sides. Now guys, let's see. How about, what is this? Meaning, you know this is a circle. What is this object? A cone. We don't call this as a circular pyramid. We call it a cone. How about this?
cylinder,
Yeah, cylinder. Please don't call it a circular prism. We don't call a circular prism. We call it a cylinder. Okay. So, meaning, see, these things are common, right? Oh, they are parallel, yes, but it's not a prism. For circle alone, we call it differently. That is why, see, for a circle, we don't call it we don't call the circle perimeter. We call it a circle is always different. So, you call this as a cylinder and a cone. Now, guys, I have some questions. Maybe when we go to volume, I want you to watch a video. But now I am going to cover the surface area. Okay, let's consider surface area. There are 2 types of surface areas. Let me go over that first. Now, we talked about the faces. Surface area means you have to talk about the faces only. Okay, nothing else counts. Front, back, right, left, top, bottom. Correct? Now, why am I going over all this? Okay, it's so boring, right? No, because I don't want you to memorize formulas at school. Okay, memorizing formulas, when you sit for the standardized exam, you're not going to remember any of those formulas. If you have 1 or 2 to memorize, it's good. If you memorize everything, it's not going to happen. You are going to forget everything. So I don't want you to memorize formulas. Understand and do, you will yourself calculate it. Let's see now. Now guys, for the surface area, there's some, now if they ask you for the total surface area, what does the total surface area means? What area means? You are going to calculate the area of every face. You are going to calculate the area of every face. What are the faces? Right, left, top, bottom, front, back, and then I have a back. You see, 6 faces. I'm just going to calculate the areas and add them up. Please don't memorize formulas. I just calculate the area. But one thing remember, front and back are going to be the same. Right and left are going to have the same area. Top and bottom are going to have the same area. So finding surface area is very easy. Total surface area is very easy. You're going to find out all the faces, add the areas. Now, what is this lateral surface area? I said there are 2 surface areas. What is this lateral surface area? What is the difference? Anybody? What is
It's like the horizontal surface area.
Good. That means what? What should I exclude?
It's the sides
bases.
that connect
Put
the
out the
faces
side.
together.
You exclude the bases.
Yes, exclude base areas. Make sense? Base areas means top and bottom. Please don't do top and bottom. Top, bottom, don't do. Rest of the areas you learn. Make sense, guys? Now let's say you are asked to calculate the surface area of this. How will you do this? Let me put it differently. What is this? First of all, what is this solid?
A triangle.
Triangular pyramid. Now, first you find the base area, correct? And then, how many sides are there for this? How many?
3.
3. So 3 side areas you will do for the total surface area. Make sense, guys? How will you find the area of the base? You will find the base times the height. Any questions, guys? Got it?
Yeah, wait, will the bases then to be next to it?
What do you mean by next? I didn't get it. Please ask again, Gihan.
Yeah, so like will like the number for like the base, like for the like the amount of the bases, like the amount of the base, will it be next to the base number? So like would there be, if it's like 5 like feet, would there be like 5 feet next to the base? Or would it be like on top?
Sorry, Rihan. Can you explain by writing it out?
Like
The base area will be base times height by 2. That's all.
oh,
Did that answer your question? Okay. Okay. But see, I'm going to give you everything, right? Meaning, I'll give you the base and the height. Let's see this one, okay? Let's see. We will start with the simple one, then go to harder ones. Okay, guys? Let's see this one. How about this? You don't need to memorize formulas for me, okay? I really want you to calculate quick. See, here it's a little tricky. You have to visualize this. Base area is the top. See here, what is the base, guys? What is the base here? What is this?
32.
Ah, this is what I expected. What is the base of the solid and what is the solid? Okay, some of you are saying rectangular prism, some of you are saying triangular prism. What do you think, Arya? Why do you think, Arya? Why do you think it's a triangular prism when it is sitting on a rectangle? Nice. Okay. So, do you see the sides connect the bases? Sides connect the bases. So, basically, even if it is not sitting on it, these two are the bases. And then do you see sides are going in parallel? So, what is the solid? It's a triangular prism. Did you get it, guys? How to find the... Yeah, go ahead, ma'am. So, now, to find out the surface area, right? I'm going to write numbers. First side, second side. How many phases are there? How many phases are there? 1, 2, and then?
5.
Good, 5. What are the shapes of those?
Rectangles and triangles.
2 triangles and
3 rectangles.
3 rectangles. Good job. So let's find out the area of the triangle. Area of the triangle is half times 3 times 4. If you're not getting, you have to stop me immediately. So that is 6 inch square. Right? Now the next one. Next one I don't need to calculate. The 1 and 2 are both going to be the same. So 2 triangles, let me write it down. 6 plus 6. Right? Then I'm going to calculate the 3 rectangles. What are those 3 rectangles? One is this. Right? One is this, right? 8 times 4, right? So that's the third phase. Third phase is, it was a 32 inch square. So let me add that in. 32 inch square, third phase. Now the fourth phase is 3 times 8. Fourth phase is 3 times 8. 24 inch square. Fourth one. Now let me erase everything. I don't see anything. What is the last phase? What is that last phase which I did not account for? One of you. Can I call out? Nikita, do you want to describe? What is the fourth phase?
8 times
8 times. Good. 8 times?
5.
5. Good job. So fifth phase is 8 times 5. Inian, are you following? Okay, now I have all the areas in here. Devansh, what is the lateral surface area of this figure, Devansh? What is the lateral surface area of this figure?
When you mean lateral, do you mean like the base?
That's what we discussed, right? 2 minutes back we discussed that. Who can answer? Pranav, can you answer what is the lateral surface area of this figure? Just tell me, meaning you don't need to add. Which ones will you add?
You have to add the 1/2 b8, which is 6, and add the multiplication of the
Pranav, which ones will you add for lateral surface area?
32
32?
24.
32 plus 24, then?
And then you have to do plus 40.
Good. You won't add the bases. These were the bases, right? The bases you will not add. So you will only add 32, 24 and 40 in square. You got it? What is the total surface area? After you add 40, 50, 60, 64, 74, 84, 94, 96 in square, right? So you will take the lateral surface area and then add the 12. Did you guys get it? 108 in square. Did you guys get it? Okay. Now I have more questions.
Mom, there's two bases. Wouldn't there be like two twelve though?
What is it?
Because it was a rectangular. What is it? Base was 12. So wouldn't there be?
Yeah, two bases, right? The top and the bottom are the bases. Lateral means only the sides. Make sense?
Oh, okay.
Okay, let's see. Let's see, guys. I'm going to give you more questions. Okay, that was a simple one. Okay, so let's go ahead and try this one. Okay, I don't want you to do two simple ones. How about this? This is a good one. Okay. What is this figure, first of all, guys? What is this figure? What is this figure? There's something different. It's not a 3D solid it's given. What have they given us? Do you know?
It's like rectangular prism, but it's like open.
Good, ma. This is a rectangular prism. But what is the figure? It's not a
It's a composite net figure.
net of a rectangular prism. You know what is a net? When you open up a rectangular prism, when you open it out, you open up the sides, meaning you just open it, literally you open it, and then whatever, meaning see, this has been opened out, this has been opened out. Whatever you get is the net of a 3D solid. Okay, now let's see, what is this net of a 3D solid? What is this?
Cone.
Okay, how about this? These things you need to know. How about this?
Cylinder.
Good job, guys. Go ahead. What is the surface area of the box formed by this pattern below? It's a little confusing though because of the different sized rectangles. I would like to know your answer. Come on, guys. Johan, you're able to do. Hey, Arya Shri Charan, internet is a problem, huh?
Yeah, I check out.
Okay. Let me see how much I can go. I would like to finish this. Let me see. Go ahead.
I just got randomly disconnected.
I saw ma. Krishiv, I permitted you in. Go ahead. Get the answer. We are trying to calculate the surface area, total surface area of this figure. Good job, Arya. Good job. Amma Netra, the area unit is centimeter square, ma. Pranav, centimeter square. Jashwita, that is not correct.
I don't know how to do that.
Shruti, correct. Doesn't matter, you can just put SQ, right? Srihari, that's right, but I need units. Inian, that's right. Vihan, that's right. Naman, that's right. Nikita, that's right. Okay. Devans, that's good. Yes, ma, please go and come back quickly. Sreshta, that's good. Pranav, that's good. Krishiv, that's good. Krishiv, units is important, okay? Srihari, that's right. Okay, guys, I'm going to move on. Now, let's see this one. What is this? You know it's a cylinder. How do you find the surface area of this cylinder, guys?
From the diameter.
You have to calculate like the area of the circle then multiply it times the height.
What is it?
You have to find the area of the circle. You have to multiply it by the height.
Not really. Area of the circle at the top is what? What is the area of the circle at the top?
Isn't it diameter times 2? Wait, no, to the second power divided times 5.
What is the area of the top? Area of the circle? Not quite. Try, guys. What is the area of the circle?
4 times
Pi r square. Pi r square means pi times r times r 16. So 16 pi is the area of the circle, right? Now, area of bases. What is the area of bases together? Will be 32 pi, right? Area of the bases will be 32 pi. Correct, guys? I'm adding 16 pi plus this is 16 pi, this is 16 pi. Now, how do you calculate this area, guys? What is this area?
Isn't that a rectangle?
What do you all think? That's right, but let's say you cut off the cylinder here. You with a scissor you cut through that. When you unwind this completely and lay it flat, what do you get? You see?
You get two circles.
Basically, the circumference rolls out into a flat line. So, how long is this width? Is this
5
Diameter of
centimeters.
circle.
that? What is this? This rolls out into a flat line, right? So, what is that? Good job. Is it 8 pi ma? Circumference is pi d, right? Yes, 8 pi. The circumference of the circle becomes that. Circumference is this, and then you have the height. Height of the cylinder as this. So, what is the area of this rectangle then? Meaning that is the area of this rounded, this area, right? This area is the area of this rectangle. What is it, guys? What is the area? Circumference is what? 8 pi. Now 8 pi times 5, right? So this is basically 2 pi r, which is the circumference, times the height. So this is 40 pi. So that's the area, that is this area. Now we have calculated everything. What is the lateral surface area of this solid? Who can tell me what is the lateral surface area of this solid? Vihan. What is the lateral surface area of this entire solid? Lateral means only the sides. Lateral means
Lateral
40 pi. Good job. 40 pi is your lateral surface area. That is only the violet color, purple color area. What is the total surface area, guys? What is it?
75.
Yes, why? Because you have to add these two bases. 72 pi is the total surface area. Lateral surface area is 40 pi. Now guys, sometimes they will tell you answer in terms of pi. That means what? Your answer, whatever you say, should have pi in it. Make sense? Whenever they ask you answer in terms of pi, you should say 72 pi, 40 pi. Otherwise, they'll say answer as a decimal. Make sense? Okay, now let's see this one. How about this one? You're going to go ahead and do this one. Surface area of prisms, you all know, I'm thinking. Even, okay, let's say I want a cylinder first and then I'll see. Okay. How about this? Will you be able to calculate? How about this? Okay. So what are they asking here first? What are they asking? This is a can. Okay. The label for each can will wrap around the side of the can with no overlap. What is the approximate area of one label? Then what do you need to find? What is the area they are asking?
The side.
Good, lateral surface area. So how will you, for a cylinder, how are we going to measure that? Yeah, unwind this. So what happens? This becomes your, yep, that line, and this becomes your height, right? So how do we do that? What is this? What is this distance? Who can tell me this distance?
14.
14? No. See, the diameter is 14 centimeter. But the circumference will unwind and become a flat line. Do you get it, Netra?
Yeah.
So what happens? Shrestha, you tell me, Ma, what is this line? It will be roughly 14? 14 pi, right? Okay, go ahead. Then this is 12. So what is the area, lateral surface area, in terms of pi?
$168.
168 pi. Did you all get it? Naman, did you get it?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Now, let me go ahead. This one I don't want you to do. I want you to do something else. But I want to show how you plan to do. Okay. When they ask you the total surface area of this, what is this figure? First of all, what is the net of this? Meaning, what is this 3D solid?
Triangular prism.
Very nice. How will you calculate the area of the triangle?
Do base times height divided
Yeah,
by
what is it, ma? What is it, ma? Base is what?
by 2.
Base is 8. Height is 3. See, guys, this one is 5. Do you see? Meaning, in a triangular prism, see, this is 8. But these two are 5. You need to be very careful. So, when you measure this will also be 8. So, the area of the triangle will be 8 times. The height has to be perpendicular to the base. It cannot be slanted. This is not the height. This is the height. Any questions?
Can you text me? I got chat with you.
No problem, Krisha. Whenever I ask a question, hold on. I will do. Wait. I want to finish a little bit more. Shruti, if it is time, you go ahead. But I would like to...
I don't have sun today.
Oh, good. Okay. Now, which of the following is closest to the lateral surface area? You'll do... I want to do this, which I have not done with you guys. Let me see if I can find one more. Yeah, see, this one I did not tell you, and this is something I want you to memorize. So I'm going to give it to you straight here. What is this? What is the lateral? What is the surface area of a cone? This is something I have never, I've not discussed, but I'm going to ask you to memorize something. What is the surface area of a cone? Let's discuss that slowly. Base area. Base area is what? It's a circle area, right, guys? Okay. Yeah. But what is the lateral area of a cone? What is the lateral surface area of a cone?
talking to like
It's
because it can
surface
become like
area
a
minus
random
circles area.
Yeah, but what is just this area? The slanted area is hard to find out, right? The slanted area is pi times. This one I'm asking you to memorize. I'll show you next week with a video. Pi r s. What is this? R is the radius of the cone. What is this S? You, it's not the height. Height is this.
Side.
What, ma?
The height of like the
Side.
Slant height. Slanting height. You got it? You got it, guys? But the hardest problem here I see now. I have a very hard problem. This is pi r slant height. I don't know, the slant height is not given. So what do you do to find that out? What do you do to find this?
Isn't it 5? Because it's pointing at.
Oh, 5. Okay, 5 is given. Okay. Okay, then how will you find the. Okay, I'm just asking you outside of this. Okay, 5 is given. That's correct. So what he says is correct. So I will substitute this in here. And then r is 3. So this is 9 pi plus 15 pi. Finding it, getting it to 24 pi. Correct? So 24 times 3 is what? Whatever you get is what you get. Okay, I'll leave it there. But my question is, if they ask you to find the height of the cone, how will you find it? They've given you the slant height. They've given you the radius. How will you find the height of the cone?
Or like how
Yes.
hypotenuse, like the
Correct. So what do you do?
missing leg.
I know what you're missing, but I can't.
You do 3 square minus 5 square minus 3.
Good job. So what is that called? What is Devansh describing? Yes, Pythagorean theorem. You will go ahead with 5 square minus 3 square to find this. 5 square minus 3 square. Then you will square root this. You got it, guys? Johan, are you with me?
Yeah, I'm getting it.
Okay, good. Okay, now let me see, guys. Give me a minute. Okay, this is a good one. Okay, guys, this is one another area where you're going to get confused. I'm going to show this to you. We'll finish with this. Okay, you all got it. For a cone, I'm asking you to memorize. How does it work? Base area pi r square plus the side area. How do you find the lateral area? Pi times r times s. S is your slant height of the cone. That you're going to remember. Now let's see. Use a pyramid. Okay. Now the right square pyramid has a base length of 4 inches and a slant height. See, the slant height is very different from the height of the pyramid. The slant height is very different from the height of the pyramid. The height of the pyramid is this. They form a right triangle. Please understand. The height of the pyramid is very different from the slant height. Okay. Now, to calculate the surface area of the pyramid, you will find the area of the square. What is the area of the square here? Jashita, tell me.
28.
What is the area of the base?
The base, 16.
16 inch square. Good job. Now, what is the area of the triangle? Who can help me? See, triangle here, guys, please understand. The triangle that we are describing is this triangle. So, the slant height is your original. See, for this triangle, the slant height becomes your height. You all got it? Because it's a triangle. Inian, can you tell me the area of the triangle? Krishiv, you want to say? You have to listen in class.
It's 28.
No.
But it's not 14.
Oh,
Wait. 14.
Good. 7 times 4, 14 in square. Good job. Now, how many of these triangles are there?
4.
4. And then you add that 16. 56 plus 16. 72 in square. Any questions? Any questions, guys? Can we stop here? So, one more time, one more thing. I assure myself that you will be able to calculate. Okay. See, guys, this is what I'm saying. Questions like this are going to be there. Questions like this are going to be there. Okay. When you're given like this, you should know that this is your slanting height, but that is the height for the triangle. You got it? If ever you want to find this means, that is 8. But then if you want to find the missing side of the right triangle means, you can always say this is 10 square minus 8 square and then square root it using Pythagorean theorem. Anybody has any questions on that? Anybody? Okay. Okay, see, that's one thing I'm a little concerned. Okay, let's see. Other than that, what is this? What is the net? Meaning, I just want all of you to name the net of this. What is the net?
Wait, should we figure it out?
Pyramid is fine, but then you're only saying 50%. Can I give you 50% points? Triangular pyramid. Good job. Okay, so I think we should be good. Yeah. This one. This is a challenge problem. Okay, number 35 in the homework is a challenge problem. You're going to deal with it and let me know. If you don't know the 35, you're going to come back. Make sense? And then 51 and 31 are challenge problems. Make sense, guys? 53 as well. 31, 51, 53 in the homework are challenge problems. Okay? You don't need to do any volume based problems. Volume based problems is not something you're going to do. You're going to do only surface areas. Make sense? Make sense? Any other questions for me? Okay, guys, then I'll stop here. I'll leave it. I'll let you go, but you're going to come back after finishing the homework next week.
Bye.
Bye, guys. See you all next week. Yeah, bye, guys. Bye, guys. See you all next week, guys.